Now we are coming to lesson number 4, Darsu Rabiu in the main book. Look at the first word, brother. Al-Baytu. Al-Baytu. What do you see, Al-Baytu?
Singular.
It's singular. Right now, the sentence is not given. So it's just a noun, but it is definite. So how will you now translate it? The house. The house. And what is next, brother? Fil bayti. Brother, from baytu you made it bayti. Why? See, from marfu you made it into majrur. There has to be a reason. How could you do it? The reason is that before the noun, preposition came. Sister Fatima, al-baytu, remember tu, marfu, and now you are saying fil bayti, ti. Why? Because preposition came. What is it? Preposition. What is called preposition in Arabic? Harfu jarrin. Yani particle that pulls down. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? I'll write down here for you preposition. Means, brother and sister, harfu jarrin, particle of pulling down. What did it do? From tu, it pulled it down to ti. Who did that? Sister Abi, did you do it? I didn't do it. Somebody did it, pull it down, and that was harf jar. So, brothers and sisters, this is our start of learning the majrur form. Are you with me? So far we were only marfu. Now we will be majrur. We'll be doing majrur. So I will say to you one thing and you will always reply me this way. Are you with me? Are you everybody looking at me and listening? If I say to you harfu jar, you'll reply to me ism majrur. What will you tell me? Means ism became majrur. It became din. It got a kasra. Are you with me? It's like salutation. If I say Assalamu alaykum, you say wa alaykum salam. If I say to you ism, if I say to you harf jar, your reply will be ism majrur. Are you with me? In the middle of the class, I will suddenly say harf jar. You will have to say ism majrur. But if I tell you Assalamu alaykum, what will you say? And if I tell you harf jar, you will tell me ism majrur. That way you will remember. Whenever, brother, you will never make a mistake in reading Qur'an. Because you will know it's a harf jar and the ism has to be majrur. There is no if and but. That harf jar will pull the noun and make it into majrur. Are you with me? So we are learning here four harf jar we will learn in lesson number 4. But right now only 2 are coming. What is fi? In. And the next one is ala. What is on? Are you with me? Okay, fine, brother. Al-maktabu alal maktabi. See, al-maktabu became maktabi. And I ask you why? Because of harf jar. Harf jar, pull it down. Al-masjidu fil masjidi. Okay, du became di. As-sariru alas-sariri. See, brother Farooq, how I am pronouncing as-sariru alas-sariri. It's a shadda. Alas-sariri. I did not pronounce the Alas sariri, I did not pronounce alif, I did not pronounce lam. And in as-sariru, I only pronounce hamza, and I did not pronounce the lam. But if I say alas sariri, I did not pronounce hamza, I did not pronounce the lam. You get to get into practice. Okay, brother? Now I will tell you something else. Slowly, slowly. Brother, did I tell you? Did we learn, brothers and sisters, that mubtada is always marfu and khabar is always marfu? Now we go one step forward. Khabar is only marfu if it is one word. What did I say, brother? Khabar is only marfu if it is one word. And there are different kinds of khabar. What are they? Are you with me, brother? Because this is an intensive course, I tell you many things that I would normally wouldn't tell, but because we are meeting every day, and every day I'm going to repeat it, and inshallah you will understand it and retain in your mind. So khabar, there are about 5 kinds of khabar. It will come slowly, slowly, and when they come, I will be pointing out to you, brother. The first form of khabar is, if it is one word, it is marfu. What is the second form of khabar? Second form of khabar is that instead of one word, it has got preposition followed by ism majrur. Okay, brothers and sisters? Now, I want you to write something on your book. You make a note of it. Right there. Okay. If you see fil bayti, brother and sisters, what is fi? That I know. Preposition. You can say for the time being preposition. Later on you will say harf jar. What will you say? Harf jar. If it is harf jar, then the ism has to be majrur. Remember, harf jar, ism majrur. But you got to, if I shout at you, you will shout back at me. Harf jar, ism majrur. You will shout back at me. Harf jar, ism majrur. Okay? So here we have fi as a harf jar followed by ism majrur. Are you with me? This is ism majrur. Okay? Together we have a short name. Together we call it jarun wa majrurun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Jarun wa majrurun. Inshallah, in 2-3 days, you'll get used to it. So what? If I say fil bayti, I can say fi harf jar, al bayti ism majrur. If I say fil bayti, in short, you can say to me jarun wa majrurun. What is the meaning of jarun wa majrurun? It means there is a harf jar followed by ism majrur. So we will say jarun wa majrurun. Are you with me? Fine. I know this is quite a bit that I am telling you, but because I will be telling you every day, and inshallah you will understand. Today, if you do not understand 100%, I have always told you, don't worry. It's normal. It will come to us slowly, slowly. Okay. Now I go back to you one more time, brother. Sentence. What is sentence? A group of words which make complete sense. What is phrase? It's a group of words, but it does not give you complete sense. Are you with me, brother? If I tell you, fil bayti, translate, in the house, is it a sentence? No. What is it? Phrase. What do you call phrase in Arabic? A beautiful thing that you call in Arabic. Huh? Are you ready to write down? Huh? Can you read, brother and sisters? Sister Salma, can you read? Shibhu jumla. What did I say? Shibhu jumla. Okay, now jumla is a sentence. What is the meaning of shibhu jumla? Huh? Brother Samad? No, no. Shibhu means something looks like jumla, but it is not a jumla. Are you with me? Shibhu means it looks similar, but then it is not. It's not a jumla. It's a shibhu jumla. It looks like a jumla. Huh? It is similar to jumla, but it is not jumla. What do you call shibhu jumla in English? Phrase. What do you call phrase in Arabic? Shibhu jumla. What do you call shibhu jumla in English? Phrase. What do you call phrase in Arabic? Shibhu jumla. Huh? So inshallah, slowly, we will master it. Huh? But this is quite a bit. It's not in the book. But I found that if I understand this gradually, then when I go in the deeper water, I'm comfortable. I know how to swim. Okay. So, brothers and sisters, if I tell you Muhammadun fil masjidi, what did I say? Muhammadun fil masjidi. Masjidi, because fi came. Brother Samad? How will you translate? Muhammad is in the masjid. Okay. So, where is mubtada? Muhammad. Where is khabar? Masjid. MashaAllah. You said it right. So, what is khabar? Shibhu jumla. What is khabar? Shibhu jumla khabar. There is still more to it, but that I won't tell you now. As you become stronger, then I will add few more things.
Khabar will be in the masjid.
In the masjid.
Not just masjid, in the masjid.
In the masjid, because the whole thing is a shibhu jumla. And brother, how will you say in Arabic? Muhammadun mubtada. Fi harf jar. Al masjidi ism majrur. And together I will write down jarun wa majrurun. But today, together, isn't it? Shibhu jumla khabar. I know it is quite a bit to swallow, but it will come because I am going to repeat it all the time. So, if you want to say in short, Brother Samad, you already said it correctly. In the masjid is the khabar. What is in the masjid? Jar majrur. What is in the masjid? Muhammad. So, from a grammar point of view, jarun wa majrurun. And what is brother jarun or majrur in this particular case? It's a shibhu jumla. It's a phrase. So if I were to tell you in English, which you will understand a little better, that in the masjid, it is a preposition followed by noun in the genitive case. Together it is a phrase and it is the predicate. What is it, brother? Subject and predicate. Is it correct? Subject and predicate. Where is the predicate? In the masjid. And what is in? Preposition. And what is masjid? It's the noun in genitive case from our point of view. Are you with me, brother? So now watch for it and catch the khabar. What are you going to do now? You will catch the khabar in the sentences. Okay? Let us see. It's going to be interesting. But brother and sister, do not get worried if you cannot find it right away. Because I am going to repeat it in so many times. Are you listening to me, brother? That it will come out of your both ears. So and when you are sleeping and turning your side, you will say jarun majrurun. You will turn your side and you will say jarun majrurun. Are you with me, brother? Inshallah. Yes, brother Farooq. Shibhu jumla. Shibhu jumla. Say 3 times. Shibhu jumla. Shibhu jumla. Shibhu jumla. Which means phrase. Means it's not a complete sentence. It looks like a sentence, but it is not a complete sentence. It is a phrase. Yes. In the masjid, on the table, in the market, under the table, over the table, behind the board, in front of the board. These are all shibhu jumla. Okay, and we'll be dealing it one by one as they come in the lesson. Yes, brother Farooq, any other question, brother? You will be with me now, brother? So you know pronoun, and you know the pronoun are definite, so they are mubtada, and then the khabar can be jarun wa majrur. The khabar can be jarun wa majrur. Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا